Go.
Hi guys, Miss Emily here. I'm here to talk you through how to measure surface area of an object. So your task for this week is going to be to measure the surface area of your forts. You'll use meters for your forts. I'm going to show you how to do this with this game here, and we're going to use centimeters. Now, for any three-dimensional object, surface area is what we're going to use for the outside. So this is our game here, but it also would be known in the shape world as a rectangular prison. Just going to take this box, and the first thing we're going to start to measure, I'll turn it around so you can see, is the width of our game. So if you can see, this width is 30 centimeters. We're looking at the numbers on the bottom. Then if I go to this side, you can see this width is 24 centimeters. Okay, and again, we're looking at the numbers on the bottom. So we have 30 centimeters and we have 24 centimeters. Now, what do we do for area? We do length times width, which voila, is a total of 720 centimeters squared. Now, a really easy way to start to track your data for measuring surface area is to, in your brain or on a piece of paper, unfold the shape. I had someone help me do this. You can get support at home to have help doing that, or you can message me on my email and I can draw out the shapes for you if you're struggling with thinking about how it would look if it was unfolded. Now, all the numbers I pre-calculated are there, but I'm gonna show you how to do it for the other two sides. So we're gonna flip this over. We're gonna take our measuring tape. Again, we're on the bottom and we're looking at this length of this side, which is 30 centimeters again, right? Because it's the same side of one of the other sides. And then we're gonna measure this little one, which is gonna be different because it's smaller, and we're looking at 8 centimeters. So again, when we're figuring out area, 30 times 8, totally use a calculator for this. And then you're gonna see it's gonna equal 240 centimeters squared. So we add that to our unfolded shape here. Sorry, these two, we just did these two. And now we're gonna do the last side. So if we're looking at the bottom, once again, we have 24. And if we're doing the side, once again, we have 8. Both of these are centimeters. And when we times length times width, our final will be 192 centimeters squared. Now, I've put all these numbers together on this screen. And what I want you to do before you send in your surface area for your forts is I want you to practice your skills using a calculator and add up all these numbers to give me the total on your calculator of the surface area of this Settlers of Catan game in centimeters squared. So again, take all these numbers that we have on this paper, add them up to give us our total. Don't forget the centimeter squared part, and send it to my email. The next thing you're gonna do, like I said at the beginning of this video, is you're going to create your forts and you're gonna try to measure each side doing the same thing I just did to get your meters squared for your forts. If you have rectangular sides in your fort, great, this is the formula you're using. If you've got triangular sides or even circular sides, I want you to email me and I can support you through figuring out the surface area of those two shapes. Thanks guys, have fun, bye.